Hi, welcome to the Citrix Ready Partner Speak series. My name is Divya Sagar and I'm the Marketing Manager of Citrix Ready program. I have with me Aaron Patton from SolidFire, who's the Solutions Architect at SolidFire. So we're going to talk a bit about the company, their product, and how it integrates well with Citrix technologies. So Aaron, tell me a brief introduction about yourself, your company, and the product.
So, name's Aaron Patton, a solutions architect, obviously. It's my job at SolidFire to come to conferences like this, talk about our solution and write reference architectures, just generally be an advocate for us in the community. We have a all-flash array, it's a scale-out system, so we're really great at solving issues that trip customers up at scale, especially in enterprises and service providers. We work very well in those environments by giving a platform that allows administrators to worry less about what they're doing with their storage day to day and focus more on tasks that add value to the enterprise. We talk about scale out. It's like, well, okay, that's a nice marketing term, but what does it mean? It's like, well, for your administrator, it means when I'm buying capacity, I'm just adding a little bit at a time and everything just works, right? I'm not having to worry about finding new data center space, trying to allocate a whole new rack and find power and cooling for everything. It's like, I can just add one U at a time. I'm adding performance and capacity all together, and it just works seamlessly, right? And then you talk about quality of service and stuff like that. That allows us to guarantee performance for workloads, but that also allows you as the administrator to worry less about what those applications are doing with their storage and just say, hey, I've allocated it, I know it's going to run, and I know it's going to run well.
Wow, that sounds fabulous. So which Citrix product does your product integrate with? And can you briefly explain that integration, please?
Yeah, so as a matter of course, we like to integrate with stuff. We have a fully baked API that allows us to be controlled by up-level hypervisors and platforms. So specifically to Citrix, we've integrated with Citrix Cloud Platform. So now you can kind of provision all of the stuff that you would need for a service all the way down to the storage right from within Cloud Platform. So you can provision storage, tell it what type of performance you want with it, and all of that just gets created on the storage array without you having to leave where you're sitting and look at another interface to build all that. We just do it all for you. We also have worked with them to build an integration so we can stamp out desktops through Cloud Platform and have those policies follow those desktops like that as well.
Perfect. So tell us a bit about how you've leveraged the Citrix Ready program and how closely do you work with the Citrix Ready program and gain some of the benefits that the program provides to you?
Yeah, well, we try to stay very current with all that. We every time it comes up we're always trying to stay current with that. And so we were very current with this Citrix Ready platform. We have all of our collateral up there, so when you want to go up and look at it, we've got all of our solutions white papers up there for everyone to see.
Great. So you've also done a few webinars with us in the past, and I'm sure those have benefited to you as well. How do you want to engage with Citrix Ready going forward as well? Do you have a vision in mind?
Well, we like doing the webinars. It's a great way for us to kind of get out in the community and see the folks that are around here. So we're always looking for opportunities to do those. We've done some with Zen Desktop and Cloud Platform in the past. We'll be looking to do some more with some of the new announcements that they've made, recently. So I'm really looking forward to getting those on track as well.
Perfect. That sounds great. So thank you for watching the Citrix Ready Partner Speak series. This is Aaron and Divya signing off from Citrix Synergy 2015. More later. Thank you.